Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you another Halloween tutorial. This is my dark elf tutorial, kind of. I mean, that's what I'm calling it. So I'm just putting on my foundation first. I use Revlon Color Stay Foundation and I apply it with a sponge. Now I am using concealer to conceal my dark circles and other blemishes. Now I'm just setting it with a powder. It's a 24-hour NYC translucent powder. Now I'm using my Rimmel London eyeshadow palette and using a light peach color and putting it in the inner corner of my eyes. Now taking a lightish green, which is actually the lighter one of the two that I will be using mostly, I'm gonna just put it all over my eyelid and drag it out towards my hairline. Also kind of putting a little of it under my eyes to give it some dimension. Now I'm using a light green and putting it on my brow bone. Pretty much everywhere from where the eyebrow is to where the other eyeshadow starts. Now I'm taking the darker green and putting it in my tear duct and making a sharp point going down to my nose, and then putting it in under my eyes. I'm being careful not to get it on the waterline because that wouldn't be good. Just fixing my mistakes and putting some foundation under my eye is what I was doing then. And just putting on heavier coats of things and blending so it looks right. Now I'm taking my pen eyeliner and lining my top and bottom waterline. And then I'm going to apply a mascara on my top and bottom eyelids. Just slather it on there. I like very long lashes. Now I'm doing my eyebrows with my black eyeliner. I'm making them very high and pointy, kind of elf-like. Pretty thick at the beginning and getting skinnier as it goes down, and just kind of stopping and going straight down. Now I'm using my mascara just to, kind of put the hairs down a little that were sticking up. And I noticed later as I was editing this video that this eyebrow looks a little weird, but nobody's perfect, so just using my mascara again. Now I'm just going again with that light green to just kind of intensify it. Chapstick. Just kind of fixing things here to make it look nice. Now I'm using a black eyeliner to kind of blacken my lips. What I do with this is I make them black but not very intense. Of course, I just kind of slathered it on, and I'll have to clean that up later, which you will see. Now I'm going to start with my hair. I'm just brushing it and putting it up in sections. I'm using a straightening iron, and I'm just curling some pieces of my hair, not all of it. In the end, it's going to look kind of like a messy warrior kind of look. Very voluminous, very voluminous, big, and just kind of gonna look like you've been on an adventure. By the way, this tutorial and look was inspired by Skyrim, because I was playing with dark elves today. And now I'm having my mom, because